Hello creatives, Ephemeral here with another tutorial. So today we are going to learn, I'm going to teach you how you can create holographic textures for your wallpapers, or I don't know, your Instagram posts, your avatars, using Illustrator's mesh tool. It's very easy and I'm gonna show you how. So yeah, without further ado, let's roll the intro and jump right in. Start Illustrator with an empty canvas, 1080 by 920. It's an Instagram vertical size. Let me just create this white background and now we can use the mesh like this, right? So we have our points and now we just select the colors that we want to use, and I will give you the hex colors in a bit, and one over here, one here, one here, here, and I guess we have enough. So now we just click the points by using the direct selection tool and then press I on your keyboard and select your color, or you can select multiple points by holding and dragging with your mouse and select one color like this, and then maybe you can select this one as well and like this until you have your color scheme. Yeah, so this is basically it, our final result. I will show you how you can manipulate this. Select your whole canvas and just select the anchor points that you want to mess with, and you can combine the colors between them like this or like this, and you have like something like this as your final result by clicking Shift and O on your keyboard. So you can duplicate the artboard, some different colors, maybe some white, and this is basically the final result. You can add some text on top of it. You got the idea. You have to get some pastel colors. I will give you the codes. Is E0BBE4, the second one is 957DAD, third one is D91BC, fourth is FEC8D8, EFE6E6. And you just play with it and mess with the colors and or add more colors. This is basically trial and error. As you can see, you have the combinations of the colors, basically giving a holographic look. And the font that I use is called OCRA Extended. It's on regular. Basically the final result, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If so, don't forget to follow me on my Instagram as Ephemeral and subscribe to my channel. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and tick the notification bell. See you in the next one. Bye bye.